action to protect child support workers in the wake of a Contact 13 investigation.
Darcy Spears first broke the story of the sick building that houses the Child Support Center of Southern Nevada. She was there when the union demanded workers' health and safety come first.
Item 52 is to authorize...
Child support workers came to the county commission meeting armed with more than 100 signatures on a petition.
Imagine going to work every day, and it's a job that you love, a job that you do well. But where you're going to work is making you feel physically ill.
The Greystone building at 1850 East Flamingo is the source of their sickness. That's according to multiple doctors who've seen multiple employees after mold was found under carpet and in other areas. Attorney Billy Marie Morrison represents 10 employees.
This is sick building syndrome, so they have to do something about it. The longer they wait, the worse it's going to get for them. The more the taxpayers are going to have to pay, because this is going to get litigated.
The county was accepting doctor's notes and temporarily moved employees who were sick, but they say the mold is gone, the air is fine, and everyone has to stay in the building.
But what you would find in this building is no different than what you would find outside the building.
What's going on here is just not the air quality. It's these spores have landed on everything. They've landed on the people, their clothing, their pocketbooks, whatever they're carrying back and forth to work. So this stuff is, going other places.
And though some claims were accepted in the past, now workers' compensation cases are being denied.
Are you guys being allowed in the building?
No. Including those filed after a May evacuation, the day after employees moved back in following a mold remediation.
Paramedics were called. Many women had to go to the hospital by ambulance, and all of those claims are denied.
That's despite hospital records documenting toxic exposure. The county says state law precludes them from commenting on workers' comp claims. The union says it's time commissioners stepped in.
We demand Clark County take action in this matter and fix this problem.
The building is in Commissioner Chris Giuncaliani's district.
So they can be reassured that their issues are still going to be pursued.
Yes, they will not be dismissed. I mean, I have to understand that management sometimes can be perceived as such. I hope that that's not their intent, but the health and safety of not only our employees, but other people that use that facility. If it's been fixed, then let's sit down and talk with what's going on. But if someone's still ill because of where they're located, then we should find accommodations for folks.
It's ultimately the commission's call whether or not to relocate affected employees. Commissioner Giuncaliani plans to go to the Greystone building herself, talk to those involved, and meet with the union to work toward a permanent solution. Darcy Spears, Channel 13, Action News.
The county says its own safety officer has reviewed and endorsed all of the county's efforts. Those plans include additional future testing to ensure the air quality remains acceptable.
Prospective UNLV students need to get their